Hey there, this is Daryl Ballard, and in this video today, we're going to be talking about the recipe for success in life. So if you were searching for something on that line, you're in the right spot. That's what we're going to talk about. Now, if you're new to my channel, I have a lot of content up there and always putting up new content on how to escape the rat race of the 9-to-5 job and how you can do that with a successful online business. So if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing to my channel. And I also want to mention that I have a 4-day free course on how to develop that successful online business, a 6-figure, in fact, online business. Okay, so let's get started talking about the recipe for success in life. Now I'm going to give 5 steps, just like it's a recipe. Hopefully you find it a tasty recipe. Number 1 is to set goals. All right, set goals. These should be important, big goals. We're talking about success in life overall. You might set 1, 2, or 3 goals. There shouldn't be a whole list of them because this is a big overall goal. And I want to give you a question to ask that hopefully will help focus your mind in the right direction. And that is, what one thing would you set as a goal if you just knew you could not fail? Impossible to fail. What would you try to do? What would be your goal? All right, so that's number 1, set a goal. Number 2, that goal needs to be written down. Okay, put it on a card, something that's easy to get to. I'd laminate the card so that it's going to last you for a while because you need to think about this goal. All right. An example of that might be if you started to have some negative thoughts, whatever, worry about something, you could pull out the card and look at it to help you control your mind, put it back on your goal, thinking about your goal. All right? Number 3, control your thoughts. Okay, it's really important to control our thoughts. The easy thing is to think negatively. And that's what most of us do. That's what probably 95% of us do. We start thinking about the negative. That's the reason for having that card, so that you can pull that out and help to control your thoughts. If your mind, if you allow it to wander towards confusion and anxiety, that's the type of life you're going to have, a life full of confusion and anxiety. And I don't think that's what you want. I know that's not what I want. Okay? Number 4, don't worry. The only thing there is to worry about is trying to do this all yourself, and you don't have to. What we're doing by controlling our thoughts is letting our mind work, our subconscious mind work, letting it soar, letting it think about things that it was designed to do. It's mostly the subconscious mind that's working on the problems that come up as far as attaining your goal. It's not something that we even completely understand. An example might be if you consider planting a seed. You dig a little hole, you put the seed in, and you put the dirt back over it, you water it, you cultivate the area a little bit, you keep the weeds from coming up. But a lot of what happens there, you have no control over. And we don't really even completely understand what's going on there. What worry is that great big giant boot that steps on the earth, packs it down so that the seed can't grow, or as it's just beginning to sprout, steps on the new young plant. That's what we have to control, keeping that boot from going where it doesn't belong. Okay? So that was number 4, don't worry. And the last one, number 5, is action. As your mind works on it, it will develop a course of action. It will present you that course of action. Once you know what that is, you need to take immediate and decisive action. Okay, so that's the recipe right there. 5 steps for a nice tasty recipe of success in life. So tell me what you think in the comments. If you liked the video, give me some thumbs up. Definitely share the video. I'm sure, since 95% of the population does not do this, lets their thoughts go in the direction they decide to go, worry, confusion, anxiety, share it with somebody. There's somebody that it will help. And don't forget the content that I have on my channel. You might want to consider subscribing to my channel and the 4-day course. It's free. Take advantage of that if it's something that you would like to do. This is Daryl Ballard, and I will see you in the next video.